Good morning, class. My name is Matthew McGlynn, and this is a presentation on why study wildlife management. This presentation was created in Glassboro, New Jersey, and today's date is May 20th, 2018. The focus of this presentation is why study wildlife management. The reason that I chose to study wildlife management is listed here on the left side of the screen. I have a respect for the natural environment and all creatures. I'm fascinated by nature. I love the outdoors, and I even love plants. I spend a lot of time bird watching and observing different creatures. I also have a strong desire to be outdoors. I love hiking. I love traveling. I love just seeing the different geological formations on Earth. I also like being a steward of the Earth. I believe that it's man's responsibility to be a caretaker of the natural environment because a lot of other creatures don't really have the ability to do and influence the environment the way that humans do. Evidently, I'm fascinated with nature. And lastly, I actually fear that I have a limited understanding of wildlife management, which is one of the reasons that I enrolled in this course of study. And I hope to improve all of that. Aldo Leopold wrote in The Land Ethic this quote that really resonated with me. It reads as follows: "A thing is right when it tends to preserve the integrity, stability, and beauty of the biotic community. It is wrong when it tends otherwise." This quote really resonated with me because it draws many emotions, and evidently the environment is complex, and Aldo doesn't offer any specific details as to how to manage the environment in this quote. Rather, this is just some sort of guiding principle that he leaves you with. And to me, this is important because although it's not a roadmap, it's an overall like a bird's eye view to show you what land management should look like. And obviously when he's referring to land management, he's not just referring to animals or plants or just the land. He's referring to the entire ecosystem. And I think that this is a good starting point for this class. This quote, I've been reflecting on it for the past 2 weeks that we've been in this class, and it's something that I'm going to take forward with me in this course. The references for this presentation are as follows. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoyed the presentation.